A wheel of double cream brie topped with shallots, sauteed pears, and a spicy red pepper jelly wrapped in puff pastry, oven baked. Looking for a party snack the entire crowd will go wild over? Check out this delicious brie en croûte, brie cheese in puff pastry. We have all been there. It is maybe the holidays or just a mighty fine fall or winter's day. Company calls, they're on the way, and you need a savory snack that does not disappoint. This is the one to make. Better still, added bonus, you can make this brie the day before you intend to serve. Guests arrive, pop it in the oven. 30 minutes later, you'll have a delicious appetizer for everyone to enjoy. Let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start by making the topping for the wheel of brie. At stovetop, we're melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a small skillet over moderate heat. Add 1 shallot, finely diced. We're gonna saute it until soft and fragrant, about a minute. Then we're adding 1 Bosc or Bartlett or Anjou pear. It is diced, season with a little kosher salt and black pepper, then toss and cook for 1 minute more, removed from the heat. Next, we're gonna need an egg wash, so crack 1 egg into a medium-sized bowl. The egg is at room temperature and we're adding 1 tablespoon of whole milk to it. Whisk thoroughly to combine, set aside along with a pastry brush. Now let's prepare the brie, beginning with the en croûte portion of the program, puff pastry. Thaw the pastry the night before, then roll it out into a large square on a floured surface. The brie itself is 5 inches in diameter. It is circular in shape, so we suggest trimming away the corners of the square. It makes folding the pastry way easier. Next, we're gonna transfer 2 tablespoons of spicy red pepper jelly into the center of the sheet of puff pastry. Try to create that 5-inch circle. Not bad, eh? Next, even more flavor. Add on the sauteed pears. Smooth it out evenly over the spicy pepper jelly. Now place the brie on top. Perfect. Before folding up the puff pastry, let's do an egg wash. Brush the pastry all around the cheese. Then we're gonna fold up the pastry. Now, I'm so glad this happened. I shortcut my pastry, so I'm putting a little square of the trimmings in the center, and then simply gently lift, tuck, lift, and tuck until all the pastry is neatly gathered. I like to dab the top with a tiny bit more egg wash. Now we're getting ready to bake the brie. We're gonna preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Gently lift the brie, invert it onto the baking sheet, and then brush the sides and the top with egg wash. Final detail, a bit of appetizing whimsy. Remember the pastry trimmings. If you have seasonal cookie cutters, you can do a flower or a leaf or a seasonal detail. Gently run the egg wash across the top once the detail is in place. Transfer the brie to the oven and bake for 30 minutes or until the puff pastry puffs up and it's golden. I like golden. To serve, gently lift your baked brie, transfer it over to a beautiful board. We're adding fresh fruit. How about some walnuts? Maybe your favorite crackers. I also find people love that red pepper jelly on the side. It goes perfectly with this. Now let's cut into our baked brie so you can see what happens. Yes, all of that molten cheese and pastry ready to be enjoyed on a cracker with a tiny bit of fruit. How perfect is that? And just like that, this sensational appetizer is ready to be enjoyed. All you gotta do is make it. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a party snack is this sensational, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite social using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook. Sure is one heck of a cheesy party snack idea. Baked brie en croûte. One bite and you'll know what all the fuss is about. Enjoy. Amazing, like amazing.